Alright, so 27th question says, which of the following lines are parallel? Know that when lines are parallel, their slopes are always the same thing. So we're going to be finding the slope of each of these equations using the general standard of a straight line equation, which is going to be y equals mx plus c. That is general format of a straight line equation. And then we're going to be manipulating each of these equations to look just like this. So for example, in this case, we have 2y minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So let's make 2y. So the formula we're going to be having 3x minus 1, right? Transfer all of this to that side. Then we divide through by 2 so that y can stand by itself. Then we have y to be equal to 3x over 2 minus 1 over 2. So here the slope is 3 all over 2. The slope or the gradient is what? The coefficient of x, which is 3 over 2 in this case. So the slope of this equation is 3 over 2. All right, I'm writing it in front of each one of them. All right, so I'm going to clean this. Sorry. So the slope is 3 over 2. Then I'll go to the next equation. Second equation, I have 3y plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. So I have 3y equals, transfer everything to the other side. I'm going to have minus 2x minus 1. Divide both sides by 3. And y is going to be equal to negative 2x over 3 minus 1 over 3. So the slope here is negative 2/3. Okay, and I'm moving to the next equation. I'll just here we are going to be having 6y equals 3 minus 4x. That's if I transfer 4x plus 4x and minus 3 to the other side. And 3 becomes plus 3 plus 4x becomes minus 4x. Divide both sides by 6. So y is going to be equal to y is going to be equal to 3 over 6, which is 1 all over 2, minus 2 here, 2x all over, and 26, that's 3. So yeah, my slope here is negative 2/3, which is the same thing as number 2. It's going to be what? The slope is negative 2/3. So that's probably our answer. Then let's go to the fourth equation. For equation number 4, I'm going to be having 4y equals what? 5 minus 3x. All right, so divide both sides by what? By 4. By 4, I'm having y equals 5/4 minus 3 over 4x. So the slope here is what? Negative 3 over 4. So obviously, we can see that equations 2 and 3 have the same what? They have the same slope. So definitely they are the ones that are parallel. Remember, when equations are parallel, their slopes are always the same. But when they are perpendicular, their slopes are always the product of their slopes is always equal to -1. So try and notice that. So I'll see you in the next question.